All right, day after yesterday, the day that it was freezing, cold, and raining and windy, we made it into the shelter. Yesterday was a bad day. Today we got the sun. We got some cool scenes over there that you can't see through the trees, but I can. It's a sea of clouds, and everybody's packing up and putting on their cold clothes in hopes that once we get moving, our bodies will warm up and our clothes will dry on the way. 12 miles. Different day. Today's gonna be a good day. Alright, we're gonna get to hiking. Well, it's just past 10. We killed 6 miles. We have 6 miles to go to the next shelter we want to get to. And Rocky Top is one of our viewpoints coming in. So we head to the shelter right here to get some lunch and try to dry off some more. So far the day has been nice and warm and allowed us to dry as we walk. Yeah, lunchtime. When traveling to the Smokies, you can only stay at shelters, but these shelters are awesome. Okay, made a stone on the outside. I know you saw a little bit of the ones yesterday, but I didn't feel much, so this is empty as well. Double deck, people come in, fireplace inside, and then the overhang is fantastic. So cool. This one right here is pretty sweet. This is one of the very few ones in the Rockies that actually has a privy down that way, and then water just down the hill that way, not too far. Little table on the outside so you can do some cooking outside the shelter. Yeah, we are warming up, drying some things, you can see right here, as much as we can, and had a good lunch. And then we're gonna get to hiking.
Rocky Top?
Rocky Top, y'all. Almost 360-degree views, except for the clouds that we're eye level with, just about. Let's see what we got here. You might not be able to pass that way. Oh man, that's awesome. Hopefully you can see this. It's very cool. To me at least. I saw a patch of flowers back there. Then we started getting these areas where it's like just like everywhere. Small little white, purple ones, all up in the hills. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And we're at the end of our 12 miles. We're gonna stay at the shelter. Derek Knob, trail family's behind me, except for like 2 who are in front. It's Fire, Master, and Renegade. But yeah, these are awesome shelters. So it's Smoke Master, my man. All right, we're starting to get meals done. Dozer's doing his thing, which is not dozing this time. He's actually journaling. And Barter Boy, how was today? Whew. Yeah, you made it? Nice. We made it all the way through. No worries. Mary Post is about to boil some water. And Smoke's in the back doing some food. A bunch of other people are hanging out. Yeah. It's a good spot. It's nice and sunny. And we got some more stuff to dry, so we're gonna do that.
Okay. We got some friends. One friend.
Got married 7 times. 7 years he
Yeah, I've only done it 3 times. The first one was the 9-month long one.
So are you gonna pour it out for the whole trail? No?
Not a chance.
I had a friend who did that for the BTD. It was insane.
It's just nasty, and in the heat of the summer, like.
I mean, you gotta crimp it up and make it look good.
No.
Let it
He
grow.
did not.
Yeah, just go.
It looked fun. It was real mountain man.
Oh my! The first time I grew this, it was like out to here, and it was so bad. I'd look down and I could see all the hair coming back up.
Yeah.
So I learned how to trim down and then like get the neck down to it so it makes the neck pointy.
It was miserable.
That was me involved.
Asking what the big beard.
It's too weird stuff.
I was telling her, I was like last night, or when we were going up with all that rain, I managed to zip my beard into my rain
Oh,
jacket.
I heard that story.
It was so cold, I was just throwing the jacket on and I went, you went right into the I was like,
That hurts even just like thinking about that.